If you miss licensing law questions on the Arizona real estate exam, it's usually because of small wording details, not big concepts. Welcome to Property Professor's AZ Real Estate Exam series. In this video, we're covering Arizona licensing law basics that are frequently tested. The Arizona Department of Real Estate, often referred to as ADRE, is the regulatory body that oversees licensing, education, and enforcement for real estate professionals in Arizona. To obtain a salesperson license in Arizona in 2026, you must complete 90 hours of approved pre-licensing education, pass the school exam, pass the state exam through PSI, submit fingerprints for a background check, and apply for licensure within 1 year of passing the state exam. A common exam trap involves license expiration. An Arizona real estate salesperson license is valid for 2 years. Renewal requires completion of 24 hours of continuing education, including mandatory categories such as agency law, contract law, fair housing, disclosure, and commissioner's standards. Another key term is employing broker. In Arizona, a salesperson cannot practice independently. All licensed salespersons must work under the supervision of an employing broker. The broker is legally responsible for oversight of transactions and trust accounts. Know the difference between inactive and active status. An inactive license means you are licensed but not currently working under a broker. You cannot conduct real estate activity while inactive. An active license means you are affiliated with a broker and legally permitted to perform real estate services. Watch for exam wording that tries to confuse licensed with authorized to practice. Those are not always the same thing. Memory tip: think of ADRE as the 3 E's: education, examination, and enforcement. That helps you remember their primary roles. In the next video, we'll go through licensing law practice questions and break down how Arizona likes to test this material. If you're serious about becoming a licensed real estate agent in Arizona and want mentorship beyond just passing the exam, connect with me. I'm building a team of well-trained professionals who want to do this the right way.